Oncoplastic surgery, how we treat cancer and preserve the shape of the breast. Most women fear the diagnosis of breast cancer for two reasons: the word cancer and the fear of losing the breast. I'm Dr. Iman Ramani, breast surgical oncologist and an oncoplastic specialist. In this video, I want to explain how modern oncoplastic surgery allows us to treat cancer fully while preserving the natural shape, proportion, and confidence of the breast. Oncoplastic surgery is a blend of cancer surgery and aesthetic surgery. The goal is simple: remove the tumor completely with a safe margin and then reshape the breast so that it looks natural. Let me start with why shape changes occur. When we remove a tumor, we also remove a rim of normal tissue around it. If the tumor is large, the remaining breast can look hollow, uneven, or pulled inwards. Oncoplastic techniques allow me to fill this defect, lift the tissue, or rearrange tissues so that the breast looks balanced. There are two main approaches, that is volume displacement and volume replacement. Volume displacement technique uses your own breast tissue. Think of it like an internal reshaping. We shift the tissue, rearrange it, lift it, or depending on where the tumor was. This is ideal for medium or larger breasts. Volume replacement techniques use tissue from outside the breast. These include LICAP flaps, AI cap flaps, or other local perforator flaps. These flaps bring healthy tissue with intact blood supply from the side of the chest or back of the armpit. They give volume, softness, and natural contour. For women who need mastectomy, immediate reconstruction is possible. We can use implants or autologous tissues. Implants are quick, reliable, and give stable shape. Autologous reconstruction uses your own tissues such as the DIEP flaps to create a natural, warm, and soft breast that behaves like real tissue. Let us talk about the symmetry. When one breast is operated, sometimes the other breast may need a small adjustment to match. This is done as part of the same surgery and is completely safe. One of the most important elements is maintaining the lymphatic drainage. If lymph nodes are removed, the risk of arm swelling increases. That is why we have lymph sparing techniques like sentinel lymph node biopsies and S-lympha procedures. This reduces long-term arm complications. Oncoplastic surgery also helps psychologically. A woman who wakes up with a natural-looking breast emotionally heals faster. Body image is preserved, confidence rises, the journey becomes easier. Radiation therapy works very well after oncoplastic surgery. The rearranged tissues tolerates radiation safely, and the cosmetic outcomes remain strong. Recovery is smooth. Most women resume daily activities in a week or two. Pain is controlled. Scars are hidden in natural lines. Oncoplastic surgery removes cancer with confidence and restores shape with care. It is not cosmetic surgery. It is part of complete cancer care. And for many women, it changes the entire emotional experience of the treatment.